Prime Minister is in fact in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. He is at the holy shrine and Maha Samadhi of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. These are images coming in from the temple and at the Samadhi. Let's take a listen.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
Minister is attending Satya Sai Baba's centenary celebrations in Puttaparthi. I'm going to go straight across to Apurva for more details on that story at this point in time. An important visit by the Prime Minister. He himself has tweeted about it, saying how he looks forward to being a part of these celebrations, celebrating the birth centenary of Sri Satya Sai Baba. Take us to the details of the Prime Minister's itinerary today.
Well, Sneha, it's going to be a jam-packed schedule here, but not only in Andhra Pradesh, but Prime Minister also scheduled to go to Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu after this holy shrine visit here. In fact, in Puttaparthi today, he is going to be attending the centenary celebrations of Puttaparthi Sai Baba. As well, as you can see from those visuals, Prime Minister has landed in Satya Sai, as well in Puttaparthi over there in Anantapur district, and we are getting to learn that the Prime Minister will not only be participating in the Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be taking place there ahead of the centenary celebrations. That is a week-long celebration that will take place here in Puttaparthi, but he will also be releasing a set of commemorative stamps as well as coins, that will be released ahead of the centenary celebrations. In fact, our Prime Minister had also taken to platform X, wherein he shared a couple of personal photographs of him having had a darshan with the Puttaparthi Sai Baba himself, saying that he is extremely delighted to be coming back for the centenary celebrations that will be taking place in a week-long celebrations. In fact, the Prime Minister has been welcomed in a grand manner by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, as well as the NDA Alliance there, who has received him. He will be addressing a gathering post the commemorative release of the stamps as well as the coins there as well. Not only that, it's going to be a jam-packed schedule for the Prime Minister here in Puttaparthi. He will also be addressing the gathering post releasing of the commemorative stamps and coins as well. This is an auspicious day and week here in Anantapur and Puttaparthi as well, owing to the centenary celebrations. And as a part of the celebrations, Prime Minister Modi has decided that he will join in the celebrations that take place along this week for Puttaparthi Sai Baba's centenary celebrations.
That's right. Also I understand there's an outreach to the farmers that's going to be made today along with the Chief Minister. What more details do you have with you on that, Apurva?
Well, we are getting to learn that not only is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Nara Chandrababu Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi going to be partaking in the Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be taking place here. It is also scheduled that they are going to be having an interaction with the farmers as well on the talks that will be going on. Remember, these are long pending talks that have been taking place, in the Prime Minister and the team had wanted to go ahead and schedule these talks as well with the farmers of Andhra Pradesh. There have been long standing arrangements that have been made for this conversation on the diaspora to take place. So after this Maha Aarti and the Puja that will be performed in a short while from now, where the Prime Minister Modi will be going ahead and partaking in these celebrations, post the Maha Aarti, the Prime Minister will be meeting with these dignitaries, the farmers here as well, and we will be having a short conversation with them, listening to either their grievances or if there is anything that they want to put forward to the Prime Minister as well. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu and the NDA leaders here in Andhra Pradesh have welcomed the Prime Minister, and in just a short while from now they will be reaching to Puttaparthi, where they will go ahead and partake in the centenary celebrations, which has been arranged in a very grand manner. Over 2 lakh devotees are expected just today and tomorrow in the vicinity of the Sai Baba, premises there as a schedule as well. In fact, special trains have also been announced by the Southern Railway commemorating this centenary celebrations for all week long, just so that devotees from near and far can be able to arrive here and partake excuse me, partake in the centenary celebrations that will be going ahead starting today.
Right,
Not only
in fact.
Prime Minister Modi, Sneha, in fact, we're also expecting that other VVIPs, including the President and other Chief Ministers from across states, will also be partaking in the celebrations all week long as they come here and visit and partake in the Maha Aarti and celebrations that will be taking place.
Right, this is also an indication of, the Prime Minister's spiritual endorsement. And he's spoken about this in the past as well. This is very significant from that point of view as well, isn't it, Apurva?
Well, definitely, Prime Minister Modi has, in fact, like I mentioned, he has taken to platform X and he has gone ahead and also shared some personal photographs there wherein he had earlier darshan as well with the Puttaparthi Sai Baba. Not only that, he has gone ahead and stated that this is going to be not only a pleasant, get together there, but partaking in the centenary celebration definitely will be a joyous moment and an occasion that he gets to relive, is what the Prime Minister has gone on and stated in platform X as well. In fact, speaking on the life of Puttaparthi Sai Baba, Mr. Modi has stated that Sai Baba's life and efforts for social service and spiritual upliftment will serve as a guiding light for generations. Over the years, I have had a few opportunities to converse with him and learn from him, is what Mr. Modi has gone ahead and stated on the platform X, sharing some personal photos of his meeting over the years as well. In fact, we've also seen how the Prime Minister has been time and again sharing about his visit here to Puttaparthi and how he hopes that it is going to be as joyous and as spiritual one as he's had earlier on as well. And this visit also, let me remind you, holds a lot of importance because this happens to be the centenary year celebrations that will be taking place here in Puttaparthi. Place here in Anantapur district in Puttaparthi. We are also seeing that not only Mr. Modi but other several VVIPs are also expected to arrive here at Puttaparthi and have a darshan here as the centenary celebrations go along throughout this year and this week as well. Especially Mr. Modi will be partaking, he will be going there and to the shrine, and he will be going ahead and having a puja as well that will be done in the honor of the Puttaparthi Sai Baba. Not only that, he will also partake in the Maha Aarti that will be taking place in a short while from now. Over thousands
But
and
be
thousands.
with us. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Let's take a look at these pictures coming in. Pictures of the Prime Minister offering prayers at the Puttaparthi Temple, the holy shrine of Satya Sai Baba. Prime Minister leading the Satya Sai Baba centenary celebrations event there at Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh, which is on your screen, of the Prime Minister offering prayers at this point. In time, I'm going to go back to Apurva for more details on that story, Apurva. This is not just about the event today at Puttaparthi, but also an outreach to farmers. Also, take us through the details of what else is on the itinerary of the Prime Minister today.
Well, in fact, at Puttaparthi here, he will be attending, the Maha Aarti that will be taking place. He will be visiting the Maha Samadhi of Puttaparthi Sai Baba here, after which paying his respects and reverence. There he will be partaking and addressing the public who have gathered. That devotees from across the world have gathered here in Puttaparthi over this week for the centenary celebrations of, Puttaparthi Sai Baba. We are getting to learn that he will visit the holy shrine and Mahasamadhi of Sri Satya Sai Baba as well. Following his, visit here to Puttaparthi, from here he will directly go on to Tamil Nadu, where he will be going ahead to Coimbatore as well. In fact, his itinerary follows with the, he will inaugurate the South India Natural Farming Summit 2025, and after that he will also release the 21st installment of PM Kisan to support over 9 crore farmers across the country. So we do see the agenda that is set for today. Right now, starting off with a spiritual tour here in Puttaparthi, he will go ahead and take the blessings and the reverence here at the Mahasamadhi of Puttaparthi Sai Baba. He will have the Mahadarshan over here with across over thousands and thousands of devotees who have gathered here in Puttaparthi this week for the centenary celebrations as well. In fact, the Prime Minister is also expected to address the gathering here at Puttaparthi, where he will be speaking with the devotees and addressing them as well. Remember, this is a spiritual meet that is being held today as well, and the Prime Minister has personally seen that he will be partaking in the Maha Aarti celebrations that will be taking place, flagging off this week. In fact, the Prime Minister earlier on had shared some personalized photos that he had during his time over the years, where he had the opportunity to meet with Puttaparthi Sai Baba, and he has said that his learnings and the way of teaching of life that Puttaparthi Sai Baba had paved through the years has in fact inspired him. That's the post that Prime Minister Modi had shared on platform X, and he says that he is delighted to join the brothers and sisters of Andhra Pradesh in partaking in the centenary celebrations. In fact, it's going to be one of a monumentous moment here. In fact, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu and the India Alliance there, including Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and BJP's Chief Purandeshwari, have personally seen that all arrangements are made to ensure that the VVIP protocol and the public devotees who will be arriving here to partake in the centenary celebrations of Puttaparthi Sri Sai Baba will go ahead and will ensure that there is smooth operation across the week as well. Proper necessity arrangements have been made for the devotees who will be arriving here in Puttaparthi from near and far. The entire perimeter that you can see here has been cleared way, as the Prime Minister's convoy is expected to arrive here at the Mahasamadhi of Puttaparthi Sai Baba as well, along with the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, and senior leaders there, PVN Madhav as well. All of these leaders, along with the Prime Minister, will be partaking in the puja celebrations that will be taking place. Post the puja and visiting of the holy shrine and the Mahasamadhi there of Satya Sai Baba, Prime Minister will take his place on the dais there, where he will be interacting with the public. He is likely to speak a few words on the life of Puttaparthi Sai Baba and share anecdotes and personal notes that he has been able to take from the life and the being that is Puttaparthi Sai Baba as well. Sneha.
Well, absolutely. Be with us, Apurva. We're going back, in fact, to these pictures coming in. The Prime Minister taking part and leading the celebrations.
Centennial celebrations at Prashanti Nilayam, Puttaparthi. Esteemed elders, dear brothers and sisters, let us all welcome the Honorable Prime Minister of India, श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा के जन्मभूमि और कर्मभूमि पुट्टपर्ती के दिव्य प्रांगण में भगवान बाबा के शतवर्ष जन्मोत्सव के इस पावन अवसर पर विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का हम हृदयपूर्वक अभिनंदन एवं स्वागत करते हैं। मोदी जी की अदम्य ऊर्जा, मां एवं मातृभूमि के प्रति अतुलनीय प्रेम, राष्ट्रीय विकास के प्रति उनका अद्वितीय समर्पण दुनिया भर के लाखों करोड़ों लोगों के लिए एक आदर्श एवं जीवन साधना का प्रेरक आधार है। भगवान बाबा के शतवर्ष जन्मोत्सव के इस पावन अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के साथ मंच पर उपस्थित हैं आंध्र प्रदेश के आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, आंध्र प्रदेश के उप मुख्यमंत्री श्री पवन कल्याण जी, श्री सत्य साई सेंट्रल ट्रस्ट के मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी श्री आर.जे. रत्नाकर जी, श्री सत्य साई ग्लोबल काउंसिल के चेयरपर्सन श्री के चक्रवर्ती जी, श्री सत्य साई सेवा ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के ऑल इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट श्री निमिष पांड्या जी और भारत के गौरवशील एवं सुप्रतिष्ठित हस्तियां, हम आप सभी का प्रेम पूर्वक स्वागत करते हैं। We will commence this morning's proceedings with invocatory Vedam chants offered by the students from the women campus of Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning from Anantapur.
गणेशाय नमः, सरस्वत्यै नमः, श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः, हरिः ॐ। गणानां त्वा गणानां त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणानां त्वा गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति गणपतिं हवामहे कविगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनां कविगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवः तमम् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि
Sai Ram. Now, it is our profound privilege to felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. We request the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Shri N. Chandrababu Naidu to kindly felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
By the Chief Minister,
आज
followed
का
by
यह पावन अवसर हम सब के लिए
Sachin
गौरव का क्षण
Tendulkar and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan
माननीय
also on stage.
जिनकी
Let's
अप्रतिम
take a look at these
दूरदर्शिता,
pictures once
अटूट कर्मनिष्ठा और राष्ट्र निर्माण के प्रति संपूर्ण समर्पण भारत को एक नई दिशा और तीव्र गति से आगे बढ़ा रही है। उनका अभिनंदन हम सभी के लिए एक विशिष्ट गौरवमय सौभाग्य है। We now request our respected Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust to kindly felicitate our Honorable Prime Minister.
The Prime
Shri
Minister
Narendra Modi.
is in Puttaparthi today. This is an important participation of the Prime Minister in Satya Sai Baba centenary celebrations. Extremely significant from the point of view of this highlighting the national importance of Puttaparthi.
Sai
These
Ram.
are details that we have with us of the Prime Minister's
invite
visit.
The respected Managing Trustee of Sri Satya Sai Central Trust,
Andhra Pradesh Chief
Shri
Minister Chandrababu
R.
Naidu and the
Ratnakar
Deputy
Garu
Chief Minister are
to
there on
deliver
stage
the welcome
as
address.
well, along with
Shri R.
other
Ratnakar.
dignitaries. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar on stage on the dais along with the Prime Minister.
Offering my humble pranams at the lotus feet of
The
our
Prime
beloved
Minister
Master,
visiting the holy
Bhagwan
shrine,
Shri
paying
Satya Sai
respects
Baba.
at Sri Satya Sai Baba
Honorable Prime Minister Shri
Mahasamadhi
Narendra
in
Modi ji.
Puttaparthi in
Honorable
Andhra
Chief Minister
Pradesh
Shri
today.
Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Deputy CM Shri Pavan Kalyan Garu. We have a young leader here, Shri Nara Lokesh Garu. Honorable Ministers from both center and state.
The Prime
And we
Minister
have
in Andhra Pradesh
very
is
special
at the
guests
holy
here
shrine in the Mahasamadhi.
from
He
Sai
offered his
fraternity
prayers
and Sai family.
and obeisance at
Shri Sachin
Puttaparthi.
Tendulkar ji and Aishwarya
The
ji.
Prime Minister is taking
Shri
part in
Chakravarti
the
Garu,
centenary
has been a
celebrations of Bhagwan Shri
of
Satya
Sai
Sai
institutions.
Baba,
Shri
releasing
Nimesh
a
Pandya,
commemorative
our
coin
President
and a
of
set
Shri
of
Satya Sai
stamps
Seva
honoring
Organizations
the
India,
life, teachings and
my fellow
enduring
trustees,
legacy of
dignitaries
Sri
and
Satya
functionaries,
Sai Baba.